So we're making an app today. Story time. I'm in college and recently the system opened so that we can use our classes for next semester. Now the thing opens at 8 a.m. The day that it opened, I was up at 8:02 because I really needed to get a class for next semester, but that didn't matter because it crashed and it was down for like an hour and a half. And long story short, later I got some of my classes. I couldn't get that particular class, and that's because the system sucks. It's separated so that you can't see your schedule while you're adding or dropping classes. So while I was trying to move my classes around and organize them and make them fit together, the classes that I actually needed got filled up, so I couldn't get them. So a friend of mine and I were like, hey, we can totally make that better. So that's what we're doing. The idea is that we're gonna make this app where people can just input the classes that they want, and we'll give them all the possible schedules that they could have those classes in, meaning that we would arrange those classes for them automatically. It gets really complicated once you have more than It gets really complicated once you have more than 3 or 4 classes. So doing this by a computer, it's really beneficial. So that's what we're doing, and I just want to document it and walk you through it and just go through this process with you. So any idea has to go through 5 stages of development. Step 1, ideation, and that's what we're doing today. This is where we actually sit down. I'm actually meeting my friend later in the day and just think about the problem and how we want to solve it, and actually structure and give our idea a set of rules that we can follow to develop this product. Next up is research and idea validation. So we need to make sure that this is actually something that people want and we're not just wasting our time because it's something cool. So we'll probably just go around and ask people if this will be useful to them, and that'll count as research. Then is the actual design and development. This is what I'm most excited for because it's what I do best. My friend and I are computer science majors, meaning that he doesn't know how to design it. So I'll be doing most of the design, but we will both be developing. So I don't know how this series is gonna go, but it'll start design based because that's what comes first. And then I want to transition into some development. I'm not gonna bore you with hours and hours of code, but I do want to show you the process of it and how we got from the design to an actual thing that we can use. After that is testing, so we'll roll out a few versions of the app and have people test them out and see which one works best or just they like better. And once all that is done and good and we have a product that we're happy with and people are resonating with, then we get to the final stage, release, and we'll put the app on the App Store and Play Store, and if you go to UF, you can download it and use it. So that's what we're doing. I'm meeting my friend later. We're gonna discuss the app and I'll take you with me and we'll see what we come up with. Right now though, I have class, so I gotta go. Yep. Also, if you've seen me before, yes, I did get a haircut. God damn, it's cold. It's in the 30s today, and we're in Florida, so I just want to take this quick moment to say that climate change is real. Y'all did this. Stop. Look at this, man. He's wearing a beanie. It's Florida, dude. Look at this shit. Oh, I don't know if you can see it, but there's smoke coming out of my mouth. This is insane. What the fuck? Got out of class now. Still cold, but I might have overreacted a little bit earlier. It's chilly, but
Alright, so here's the deal. I'm going home right now. I was gonna meet my friend after class, but I'm kind of hungry, so I'm going home to eat. And then I'll meet him after another class. Anyway, I'll explain more later.